Here's a fantastic recipe. It's so easy to make. You take little tiny diced potatoes and diced onions and diced jalapeno with some melted butter and olive oil to start. Oh, and then after you get the potatoes and the onions going a little bit, I like to do it in a black frying pan that's been properly seasoned and made ready. And then you just, once the potatoes and onions and everything are, like kind of like half cooked, then you make a space in the middle of the pan and you put the brick of pork sausage in. I mean, if you want to use beef, you can, but I recommend pork because, everything tastes better when it's made with some pork. I'm just saying. But yeah, you do this. It doesn't matter if you mash up a couple of potatoes or onions or jalapenos because, they're already little anyway, so you can't hurt them by mashing them up much more. I started it on high, but I lowered it to, well, now you can see it splashed everywhere. I turned it up a little higher now that we got the pork all broken up. But yeah, this is about to be something delicious here. With the potatoes and the onions and the jalapenos. Oh. Let me get some salt. Some kosher salt, yeah. Some pepper. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what. It's gonna be good stuff. Once you mix it all up, oh, and the meat gets all happy with the onions and the peppers and the jalapenos. I'm not trying to steal Emerald's word, but he didn't coin happy, okay? This food right here, this will make you happy. I promise.